How to contact Facebook customer support in 2025. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that the first way was open your Facebook app. So I will simply open it. Here you guys will click on top left corner three lines. Once you click here, simply click on see more. Now you will scroll here, you guys will see help support. So simply click here. Here you guys will see report a problem. So once you click on report a problem, you can share your problem with Facebook team and contact them. That was the first way. The second way was you guys will see on screen emails of Facebook team. So simply you guys can send an email to Facebook officially, and I write it the problems like what problem you are facing. According to your problem you guys can send to email. Thanks for watching.